Okay, greetings. Hi. Let me get this camera angle a little better. So I think you can see the teddy bear. That helps. And just the edge of the box. Oh. Let's see what I see. I see oh, that's from the camera, an artifact on the camera. Yeah, we're in good shape here. That's the table I'll be working on right there. Okay. I'm now going to talk to you and show you how to assemble the CanaKit, the Raspberry Pi 4B. By the way, in the meantime, I've done a little research. Is my head cut off? Well, you could look at teddy bear then. Good. Very good. This is Sander the bear. That's from Habitat for Humanity. I haven't given them nearly enough, but I guess I gave them something. Since I've been with you on YouTube, I've done some research, and I found the data sheet for the Broadcom 2711 chip. That's the chip that's used in the Raspberry Pi 4B. I was interested to see that the 3B uses a chip with a higher number, the 2835 or 36. There's the Pi board that we're going to use today. Therefore, I was wondering if the 4B was an economical improvement and maybe cut some things out. But that's okay with me. Whatever it is, it is. Here's the safety and user's guide. And I think there's instructions here for setting it up. But I'll tell you, if you're like me, I usually wing it. Not a good idea this time, though. I might just get far enough here. I've got a 2 o'clock conference call. I might just get far enough to be in the right place this time and not mess it all up. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and what I'm getting out of the box. And then I'm going to take a break and read the instructions. So this is the heatsink, but there's 3 heat sinks in there. I don't want to put them on the wrong chips, so I've got to read the instructions. Here's a fan. I think it goes on the case. I've got to make sure I get it on the case in the right way and that the power cord goes to the right place. Let's get out the case. Here's the case. That's a nice case. Here's the case. And here's the power cord, the USB-C power cord. Oh, one thing I have to do is find a USB keyboard, a USB mouse, and the HDMI cable. So there's a lot to be done. Here's the micro HDMI cable. I have a monitor. The problem with the monitor is that it's my TV set. Well, it just makes things a little more complicated around here. I suppose many of you go through something like that too, which is something we want to work on together. But I have the case out. I have the heat sinks. I have the fan. I have the Raspberry Pi 4B Safety and User's Guide, but what I'm looking for now is there was a small card, and I was very careful to put everything back in here. Here's a card. It says, CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 Quick Start Guide, and here's the read me first. So I don't like to bore people on these videos. So I've heard the videos that are under 5 minutes are a little better. So I'm going to take some time out to read this card and assemble the rest of the equipment. And when I'm ready, maybe in 15 minutes, I'll put the heat sinks on in the right place if that's the next thing to do. I'll put the Raspberry Pi 4 into the case. I'll put the fan in the case, and we'll get ready to power it up.